Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt from V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with some pretty monumental stuff for Indian Challenger motorcycles. The guys at Barnstorm have taken the bull by the horns, so to speak, and came out with a complete mid-control kit for Indian Challengers. When I say complete, it is complete, as you can see. Everything from Polaris branded gaskets to making of their own brake lines, all the hardware, everything you need. And I mean, if you look at this stuff, it is beautiful machined. Like, you can't get any nicer than this. I got the as machined kit because I wanted it to really contrast the black on the Challenger. I mean, if you look at this thing, it even comes complete with the master cylinder mounted, ready to go. I mean, look at this stuff. You can't tell me that this stuff isn't top notch. I mean, I love what Barnstorm's doing. If you've got a Challenger, man, you have to get this. There's no other way. Barnstorm Cycles, V-Twin Visionary.